Hello everyone, now I am going to tell you how to install MySQL. MySQL can be installed on various operating systems including Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Now I am going to show you how to download in Windows. For that first we want to open Google Chrome and type MySQL download installer. In the first link open and click on second link, click on download. This will ask login or sign in. Don't log in or sign in, just no thanks, just start my download. Click on that. It will take some time based on your network. Yeah, it was download. Double click on that. Now we want to install the required things. Now we are going to click on custom and then click next, and here in the SQL server we want to add a MySQL. Click on this and click on this so that it will be protects to install. After that we want to go click on the pet application and we want to install MySQL workbench. Click on that plus and click on workbench 8.0.36. click on that and click on that first screen. After that we want to install shell, same like that we want to click on this and click on that and then click on next, and then it is ready to install. So click on executive. It will take time to install. It was completed installing, and click on next and click on next, and everything is okay. Click on next, and here we want to give a password of your own, but don't forget that password. After that, click on next, 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 and click on execute. After that, click on finish and click on next and then click on finish. Now it will open a workbench. Click on workbench and put the password which we have created and then click OK. See, with this my workbench is open. Like this we want to install and download MySQL. After completing the workbench, now you go to C drive and click on programming files. Here you can see MySQL. Click on MySQL and my server and bin. Now copy this bin and in the search type environment, and here we want to add a path which we have copied there. Click on path, new, for me it was already is there. If you don't have, you can click on new and add the path. Like that we want to add the path. After that we can search, we can see whether it was installed, MySQL installed or not. For that, go to command prompt and click and type MySQL version. See, it was showing version 6. And for the user you can click MySQL/user space root/password. I'm sorry, MySQL/u root/p, and give the password which you have given while installing. See, it was telling welcome to the MySQL monitor. Like this we want to see whether it was installed or not. With this I am ending my video.